This Indian company is the world's largest vaccine producer by volume. Taking a chance that the COVID-19 vaccine candidate, developed by British-based company AstraZeneca, will pass trials, the Serum Institute of India began producing it even as it was being tested. After AstraZeneca's announcement that clinical trials show that its vaccine is up to 90% effective, the Serum Institute confirmed that it has 40 million doses ready. The company has a licensing agreement with AstraZeneca.
They would be making roughly 850 million doses annually of this vaccine. About 50% of that would be available to India.
In the world's second worst affected country by the pandemic, this holds out hope of quick access to the vaccine if it is approved. Experts say the AstraZeneca vaccine will be more suitable for developing countries compared to other candidates that need to be kept in sub-zero temperatures. It can be stored in a refrigerator, is easy to transport and more affordable.
They also need to be easy to administer in terms of the logistics, particularly when it comes to a large population like India. Things like the cold chain, as well as ease of administration, all of these matter. And of course, the cost matters.
India is also testing 2 locally developed vaccines. And as the focus turns to vaccines to fight the pandemic, Indian companies like the Serum Institute are ramping up production capacities.
India will be certainly at the forefront in producing more vaccines, both for domestic use as well as international use, because of the large vaccine producing base that we have.
However, administering them in a country of over 1.3 billion with a large countryside will be a challenge.
Here we are talking about millions of doses. So that capacity has to be built up. And it's not just a vaccine, it's going to be vials in which vaccine has to be packaged. It's syringes and needles. It's people who can administer the injections.
As India fights the pandemic, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked state governments to plan for a vaccine rollout, even as he stressed that safety and not speed will determine when that happens.
अब वैक्सीन आने के बाद भी हमारी प्राथमिकता यही होगी.
After the vaccines are available, our effort will be to provide them to every citizen. There is no doubt about this. This is like a national commitment to us.
एक प्रकार से नेशनल कमिटमेंट की तरह है.
As infections cross the 9 million mark, the positive news on prospective vaccines has brought a ray of hope in India. Anjana Pasricha for VOA News, New Delhi.